Good morning, students. Welcome back on your science online classes. In last class, we had studied about digestion of human beings and digestive organs in our body. Today, we are going to learn all the various digestive organs which took part in digestion. So, let's learn one by one. Let's go for it. So the first organ is mouth. Let's see the para. Yes, mouth. Food is ingested by us through the mouth. The mouth contains tongue, teeth and salivary glands. They work together in chewing the food. The chewed food is mixed with saliva. Saliva is a watery fluid secreted by the salivary gland. This process of chewing is called as a mastication. Yes, from the given content, we had learned that mouth contains a tongue, teeth and salivary glands. They work together in chewing the food, biting the food, tearing the food, grinding the food. Okay, so food is taken by us through the mouth with the help of a teeth. Complex food is broken into the simpler form. The chewed food is mixed with the saliva. Now what is saliva? Saliva is a watery like a fluid secreted by the salivary gland, and salivary gland is present in our throat. Through the salivary gland, that one enzyme is also secreted, that is called as a amylase. Now chewing the food continues till becomes slippery. That process is called as a mastication. Mastication means chewing the food continuously. So that process is called as a mastication. Now only I told the saliva contains that enzyme amylase, which convert starch into the sugar. So this is the function of a mouth. Now we will see the next paragraph, that is a teeth. Teeth is present in the mouth which helps in breaking the complex food into the simpler food. So let's learn in detail. Teeth. Our teeth cut, tear and grind the food before we swallow. We can feel the different shapes of our teeth with our tongue. There are 4 kinds of teeth in our mouth. Yes, with the help of our teeth, we can cut the food, tear the food, or we can grind the food. After cutting, tearing and grinding the food is swallowed. And what are the various kinds of teeth that involves in cutting, tearing and grinding? Let us see. The first one is a incisor. Incisors are front 8 teeth, 4 in number and 4 in lower jaw. These are flat chisel shaped teeth, well adapted for cutting and biting of food items. Yes, incisor, they are 8 in number and upper jaw 4 are present and lower jaw 4 are present. So total 8 in number. These teeth are flat chisel shaped so that it helps in cutting and biting of a food items. Whatever the food, complex food we are eating, first it is cutting and biting the food. Now next one is the second one, canines. One canine each is found on either side of incisor of each jaw. These round, sharp and pointed teeth are well adapted to hold tear the food. Yes, one canine each jaw. Each canine is present in the either side of each jaw. These teeth are round, sharp, pointed. This helps to tear the food. Now next teeth is premolar. Premolars are there are two premolars on each side of a jaw. They have a flat surface bearing small grooves, ridges, and as well as adapted to crush and grind the food. Yes, these are the two premolars on each side of a jaw. They have a flat surfaces bearing a small grooves and ridges. It helps us to crush and grind the food. Now next one is molars. Molars are the last three teeth on both sides in both the jaw. They have almost flat surfaces with a small projection for effective grinding of the food. Yes, molar are the last three teeth on both sides of the jaws. What is the function of molar? These molars helps in grinding the food, and the shape of molar is a flat surface with a small projection. Okay, and the function of this molar is to grind the food. Now all these teeth are covered with a hard covering substance that is called as enamel. See the next paragraph. The white substance that covers our teeth is called enamel. It is the hardest substance in our body. All of us have two sets of teeth in our lifetime. The first set erupts when we are babies and lasts until when we are about 8 years old. These are known as milk teeth or temporary teeth. A child has only 20 such teeth, 10 in each jaw. These teeth falls out one by one and are replaced by permanent teeth. A human adult has 32 teeth in all, 16 in each jaw. Yes, the word substance that covers our teeth is called as enamel. It is the hardest substance in the body. All of us has two sets of teeth. One is a milk teeth and another one is a permanent teeth. When the first set erupts when we are babies, means when we are at the age of a childhood, means the age will be 8 to 10 years. The milk teeth starts falling down. Then after that we have a set of a permanent teeth. If permanent teeth had broken, yes, neither the teeth will be grown. A child has a 20 teeth in each jaw, 10 teeth, and human adult has a 32 teeth in all. So this we had learned about types of teeth. So I hope it is all clear to you people. Today we had learned about the mouth and the four kinds of teeth and its function also. Here you see in the picture it is given there: incisor, canine, premolars and the molars. Incisors helps in the cutting the food, canine helps in the tearing the food, and premolars and molars helps in the grinding the food. And see, all the set of teeth are covered by a hard like a substance which is present in the jaw, that is called as enamels. And we have two sets of teeth. One is a milk teeth and another one is the permanent teeth. So I hope it is clear. Yes, keeps on learning, and tomorrow in the next class I will explain you about the rest organ which take part in the digestive system, that is a tongue, small intestine, stomach, large intestine, and at last anus we will study. So okay, thank you.